Welcome to another interesting video. In today's video, we are going to teach you a collar self-defense technique that you may have rarely seen before. It's effective, professional and very easy to learn with proper practice. So let's get started. In a street fight situation, if someone push you or slap you and grab your collar like this way. So how to defend yourself when someone grab your collar in this position? The first step is to take a one step backward like this. This creates some space and allows you to move out from underneath his arm more easily. Step number 2, raise off your both arms like this. Now round your body under his arm, fully round like this. You can see his arm twist. Now you can grab his neck like this way. Now he is fully under your control. Guys, now we show you this technique in fast motion, in real motion, how it works or not in real situation. Yes. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comment box. If any step was difficult to understand, tell us which part and we will make a simple explanation video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss our next self defense. Thank you for watching.